Hello, Corinne here to tell you about my third assignment for my multimedia reporting class. This was a photo event story which aimed at capturing photos to portray an event from start, middle, and end. For this project, I went to the Market at the Square downtown Urbana, which takes place every Saturday. I thought the market would be a good event to cover because of its popularity in the Champaign-Urbana community, as well as to explain why it draws in so many different types of people because of its different vendors. For the project, I wrote a short story detailing generally what happens at the farmer's market, dates and times, and what types of vendors come to the market. And then for the photo part, I highlighted 6 photos that I thought showed the diverse nature of the market, as well as the sequence from the beginning, middle, and end of the market. So the first photo shows a close-up of a man as he makes his first stop at the market. He's picking out tomatoes in this photo, and I thought it was a nice photo to start with because it shows the first thing people see when they come into the market and the first thing they're expecting to see, which is fresh organic produce. The next photo is a little bit different. It's a student waiting for a sandwich he ordered at a cracked food truck just as he comes into the market as well. And I thought this was a good photo to show right next to the one of the fresh produce because it shows that you don't only go to the market to get fresh produce that you have to go home and cook, but that you can go to the market to get food that's made with organic ingredients right then and there. The next photo that I put in the sequence is of a woman smiling as she's making a sale for one of her pies. I thought it was a nice moment to show how excited she was to come to the market every Saturday, and I also liked that the photo focused in on a sign which detailed what the woman was selling, and it gave a little bit of context to the photo since so many of the vendors looked the same. The next photo is of 2 8-year-old children who are watching a university student doing a science experiment. I caught a nice moment where they were both intently watching this girl as she pounded a nail into a wooden board with a banana, and I really liked that I was able to catch the reaction. I also thought it was a nice photo that showed a different side to the market, showed that it wasn't just selling different food products, but that the Market at the Square also stands as a community platform for people to highlight different aspects of the community and different organizations that are a part of that. The next photo is of a flower deliverer who's picking up boxes and looking over the flowers he has left to pack up before he leaves. I really like the angling of the flowers in this photo, which kind of leads you into the rest of the market, and I really like the vibrant colors, as well as how it's kind of showing the progression of time. There are less people in this photo and showing that the market's about to close. Then the last photo, I chose a photo that shows workers that are packing up extra vegetables. Here it's mostly squash. They're packing up the vegetables that weren't sold at the market, and I thought it was a good photo to end with because it shows people the end of the event, as well as that it's not completely over. There is still food left over, and that's going to go back to the farm, and that's the end of the event. So that was my assignment 3, my photo event story. Thanks for watching.